With the Tormek jig for gouges SVD 185, you can sharpen fingernail-shaped turning gouges, different types of round and spoon-shaped carving gouges, straight or curved V-tools, and also changeable turning cutters. You can set the jig to get the shape you want. At 0, you grind an almost straight across profile. At 2, you get this shape, and at 6, you get even longer side edges. By using the same setting and by mounting the tool with the same protrusion, you can exactly replicate the shape of the tool. With the Tormek Turning Tool Setter TTS 100, you will have full control over the 3 factors that determine the shape. Number 1, the jig setting. Number 2, the protrusion. And number 3, the distance to the stone. When you control these 3 settings, you can easily sharpen your tools with precision over and over again. With the right settings, only 1/1000th of a millimeter of the steel is removed, and the sharpening is fast. A few strokes is enough. Then hone away the burr and polish the bevel with the tool still mounted in the jig, and you will not risk rounding off the edge. You hone the inside on the profiled leather honing wheel. You get a very fine edge and minimal wear on your tools. If you want a rounded back, you can easily grind off the heel of the bevel. Just unscrew the back knob and allow the tool holder to move forwards. You can also sharpen changeable cutting heads. Loosen the sleeve and mount the shaft that comes with the jig. Then fit the cutter, adjust to the edge angle, and sharpen. If you need to remove a lot of steel, use the coarse side of the stone grader to make sure that you have a fresh cutting stone. Press harder against the stone and grind one wing at a time. Remember, this is a once-only job. Once you have the desired shape, the sharpening is very fast. With SVD 185, you can also sharpen wood carving tools, like this carving gouge. Color the bevel with a marker and you can see that the angle is right. Now you can sharpen to exactly the same shape as before, and you remove only a fraction of the steel. In the same way, you can sharpen spoon-shaped gouges. And even back-bent shapes. For fine, thin edges, adjust the stone with the fine side of the stone grader and it will work like a 1000 grit stone. In this way, you will not remove too much steel. When grinding V-tools, set the jig so that the edge is straight across the stone. The angled profile on the lever honing wheel is made for V-tools. Now you have exactly the shape you need and a perfect sharpness.